Hi, CJ Priest here with Top 10 Reviews, and we just got the Roland Edirol R09 HR Wave MP3 recorder in. We're going to unbox it here and have a little look-see. Ooh, another interesting picture. Foam padding is always good. The recorder itself. Record, stop, play, pause, blah blah blah. So you can change your input levels. That's for when you're speaking into it. Hook a mic up to it. Power button. Volume when you're playing back. Headphone jack. This is what you speak into, I assume. Okay, there's that. Also comes with what appears to be a comfortable and handy clicker, remote, whatever you want to call it, so you don't actually have to hold the thing. Be interesting to use. Alright, other than that, got a power cable, foam padding, some sort of clear acrylic stand maybe? Let's try it. Yes! How convenient. Alright, USB cable. Oh good. Uses the same USB cable that so many of my other devices do. That's awesome. Power cable. And whoa! That's one of the thickest manuals I've seen for a device so small, but it appears that it's heavily localized too. So we've got Español, Italiano, Francais, and Deutsch. And of course, I'm sure there's English somewhere. One would hope. Oh no! Wait! English! Okay, so they're ready to ship worldwide. Awesome. And Pyro Audio Creator Lite Edition looks like. And promotional material. Oh, hey! They ship a 512 meg card. That's awesome. How many people do that anymore? And a practical guide, so I assume this is like your quick start guide type of deal. So that's it. CJ Priest with Top 10 Reviews. Signing off.